Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore dryer timer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dryer timer. The dryer timer controls all the functions of the dryer. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if the contacts inside have failed and the dryer is not working properly, or the motor has failed and the timer is not advancing. In order to change the timer, the first thing we have to do is take the knob off. All you have to do is grab it and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now while we're on the back of the dryer, we're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screws that hold in the access panel. Once you have the screws out, we're going to pull the access panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the access panel off, we can see the timer. It's located on the right-hand side. It's got a bunch of wires that we have to disconnect. They're all labeled, but you may want to take a picture or write them down where they go. Yours may be different, and you don't want to mix them up. We're going to start over here on this side with the 3 terminals in the same block. You got the gray, the tan, and the white. Just going to pull this one off. These are all on there pretty tight, so if you have to use a small flathead screwdriver to help get them loose, you can. Then we have the yellow with the black stripe. And the white with the black stripe. And the violet. Then the blue one. The black one. And the red one. Once you have them all out of the way, we have to remove the screws that hold the timer to the console. We're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the timer out of the dryer. Here's the old dryer timer next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you're putting the new dryer timer in, you want to make sure that it's in the same orientation with the little hump on the motor pointing up and the right wires on this side. And just push it through so it lines up and goes into the control panel. Then we're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws to hold it in. Once you have it mounted, we can connect the wires. To put the wires on, you just want to look at the color code on the timer and put the right wire on. We're going to start with the red on the bottom. Just make sure these all go on and get a good connection. And then black. And then the blue. Then the violet on the top. Then we can do the white and black. And the yellow with the black stripe. And then the connection with the 3 wires. Once you have them all connected, we can put the access panel back on. Just going to carefully lift it up into place and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws. Now we're back around front. We have to put the timer knob on. Just want to make sure that the D shape lines up with the shaft on the timer. And then all you have to do is turn it over and press it on. Once you have it on, you can plug the dryer back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.